This is the Mandalorian that I've printed in its entire glory. So looks really good. Everything seems to have worked out. I've tried to put it together with some blue tack, just to see if I can get it all together. There's a bottle here, just for perspective how big it is. This is half a liter bottle, by the way. And yeah, looks really good. I'm gonna give it to someone who's gonna apply bondo, do some sanding, and then do some painting. So yeah, that looks really good. I do enjoy it. So yeah, that's it. That was about 60 hours of print time on my Mingda Magician Max. So with the settings I've used. So yeah, really good. Cheers.